Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the control of motion sensor using the Arduino Uno. And when anything will move in front of this PIR sensor, then this buzzers will give us a sound signals or a sound, and these servo motors will move, and you can also use a needle or a pointers on these servo motors, and this will point to the high and rotate completely. So let's simulate this, and then we will see that how I connect this circuit and how it's working. So let me start the simulation. If you will see here, this is a PIR sensor. Let me click here. Here is the target's value that is written. If I move it, we can see here that this buzzer giving us a sound, and this servo motors reach at the higher points here, and now it's again reset to the its initial positions because there is nothing object that is moving in front of this PIR sensor. Now again you can see here that this servo motors rotate, and now it's again going to its original positions. Basically this is a potentiometer that is using here to control the intensity. You can see here the LEDs blinking when you see any object is moving in front of this PIR sensor. So basically PIR sensors works when any object comes in a given directions in front of this PIR sensor, then it will send a signal to the Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno will control the buzzer and also will control the servo motor. So now if we will go that how we make the connections, you can see here this PIR sensor you can also directly control the first pin as with the ground, the second pin with the power pin, and the third pin is the signal pins. So we use this signals pins for the TX to transmit signals, and because this is a PIR sensor, and the remaining two pins are using here to control the LEDs of one is using to control the buzzers and LEDs, and the second one is using here to control the servo motor. The other two pins of these servo motors is the power and the ground pins, and similar here we have also the power and ground pins for the buzzer. If you will see here that we directly connect the 5 volt here and ground here, and from here we take the ground for all the LEDs also, and also for the this buzzer. Okay, and this buzzer is controlling using the pin number 4. These 4 LEDs are controlling by this pin number 2. I hope you understand the working principles of the PIR motions using the Arduino Uno, and how to control the servo motor position or rotation using a PIR sensor, and how to create any sound or uh, alarm when you detect any motion in front of PIR sensor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe the channels and hit the bell icons. And if you require any type of help relevant to any electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp numbers, or either you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more.